Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick video where we explain you on how to become a certified AI specialized legal expert. As you know, these days AI is everywhere. So also in the legal industry, we currently see a lot of changes due to AI, if you will. So practically, um, our mission is to teach you AI and to also make you AI certified. So you know how to use AI and you know how to deal with all the changes that are here at the moment. Um, on this little page that you will find on the certifications page of completeaitraining.com, you'll find this um, um, you'll find the certification page for legal specialists. And on this page, you will find basically a little introduction video, which is basically this video. And you will find all the different benefits, basically, of using AI in your legal career. We got a whole quick in between. We got a whole bunch of certifications on completeaitraining.com. Here is the list. And CompleteAItraining.com is basically a platform where we have 220 training programs for 220 different professions, so job professions. And we all categorize them into multiple categories. And one of those categories is the legal industry. So over here, we basically have all sorts of legal jobs. And if we take, for example, AI for lawyers, then on the AI for Lawyers page, you will find a whole bunch of video courses that basically bring you from beginner to professional. So to a professional AI user, if you will. We also teach you how to use the Office tools, and we teach you the different Office tools that are integrated with AI, like Microsoft Copilot, etc. We teach you how to do data analysis. So this might not directly seem relevant for your legal job, but basically if you want to find some statistics, etc., you can do so now. So you don't need an expert for that anymore. Thanks to AI, you yourself can basically teach you this. Teach yourself how to do data analysis thanks to and with the help of AI. So let me click the video courses. And we teach you how to become a prompt engineer. So this is basically giving the right prompts to AI, etc., etc. And then besides that, we have a whole bunch of prompt courses. So this basically shows you all of the things you could do with AI, like legal research, drafting legal documents, contract analysis at scale, if you will, if you want, but also just the basic contract analysis. Saves you a lot of time. Document reviews, etc., etc. So if you learn both the videos and the prompt courses, you're basically ready for the AI certification. So let me basically the benefits of this certification are simply that you have the AI legal specialist status. So these days, when you want to find a job, it's definitely very useful, and basically it becomes more and more of a requirement that you have AI knowledge. So thanks to this certificate, you can show this. This will basically increase your job opportunities, and because you will save a lot of time because you're more productive and efficient. On average, we see that our users get like a 30% increase in their salary. So these are the users of complete AI training. So on average, we see that simply because they're more productive, efficient, they can do things quicker, etc. With the certification, you basically show that you're serious about your job. So you will future-proof your skills. Because you future-proof your skills, you can show that you're serious about your path. So in other words, you basically prepare yourself for career growth. So that's a good thing, obviously. So if you want to apply for this certification, you can basically do so on the little form here on the right, where we will ask you a bunch of questions. Oh, lawyer. So basically follow this form if you want, if you will. And you can find this form here and also on the bottom of the page. So over here. Did you see that, by the way? Yeah, it's just above my face. Okay. After that, we check if you're eligible for the certification. So basically, if you are a subscriber of Complete AI Training, you will get one certification for free per year. If you're not a subscriber, you pay $99. But at the moment, the Complete AI Training certification is also $99. So you basically get this whole certification for free. If you want more than one certification, so for example, one from the certifications page, then you, as a subscriber, you get 20% discount. So that's basically $79. So you can do as many as you want. Obviously, you're watching this video for, probably you're watching this video to get a legal certification in AI. So after that, you will get their certification exam. The exam consists of 20 to 30 multiple choice questions, which are more theoretical. So you show us and you show the rest of the world, if you get the certification, that you have knowledge of all the background knowledge of everything AI, basic background knowledge, I would call it. And after that, there's 4 to 8 long form project-based questions that basically show that you have real world experience in legal scenarios, real world AI experience in legal scenarios. So these are more open-ended project questions. They are more extensive. So the numbers of these questions are variable because the test is always variable. So so you can get 20, you can get 30, you can get 4, you can get 8. In general, the length, the duration of the test is approximately the same, but the test is always variable. And once you're done with your certification exam, which you can basically do at your own pace. So we do advise this to do this within a couple of weeks, but basically you can do it at your own pace. After that, we will do a manual review. So this will take a couple of days, a week if we're really busy. Currently, we're quite busy, and we usually process them in a couple of days. And then you either pass and you directly receive your diploma/certificate for as a certified AI legal specialist. If you don't pass, we basically give you extensive feedback. So this extensive feedback, basically, we tell you exactly what you need to work on, what you need to learn, what you need to follow. And then you can do the certification again if you want. I do have to note that because this is all manual work and $99 is basically already a real bargain, you would have to pay again if you want to do the certification again. But I guess that makes sense because at this bargain price, we also manage to do the manual reviews of all the tests. So good. So far the whole process. On this page, the legal certifications page, you will find all the information as well as a extensive FAQ section. So if you have any questions, you can go there, and you can always use the contact us button on the website. If you have any questions, use the contact us button. So if you're interested in Complete AI Training, please go to completeaitraining.com. Over here on the sign up page, over here you will find the sign up button if you're not logged in. So let me quickly show you that. Here's a sign up page. So you can sign up there. Have a look at our 220 training programs. If your job is there, I would definitely advise you to use to gain this AI knowledge if you have not have it already, and to basically, even if you have some basic AI knowledge, you played around with some of the tools. It's definitely useful to call yourself an expert in AI. It's not only useful for your job, but just because you save so much time and things, and AI can be your perfect assistant, so it can definitely make your life easier. Definitely as a legal expert, because you're already so busy anyway. Good. I hope to see you soon as a certified AI legal expert. And I hope to see you soon on our platform. I wish you a wonderful day. Cheers.